Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy GK, SGK 23 TV Network, back at it again. You know, it doesn't stop. Peace and blessings to everybody before we get started, and hope everybody's doing well. Another unboxing sneaker review. Real quick before I get started, again, hope everybody's taking care of themselves, and again, don't take things too serious, but don't be careless neither, you know. All right, the Nike pickups are starting to come in, and we got the Air Jordan 1s, black toe mids. I will link the description to the BREDs or reverse BRED mids, the hairs, Nouveau's black eyes, or you guys can just kind of run through the videos and things like that. I was ahead of my time as far as the mids, you know, hairs, black eyes, Nouveau's, you name it. I've always loved Jordan mids. I've said it a few times, a lot more than once, because they're shorter. You know, that's kind of taboo to say in the sneaker community, but it is what it is. So I'll link the description below to like one of the original, you know, 2014 or something like that, breads with the extra pinstripe baseball laces and stuff like that, so you guys can take a look at some of that stuff and look at how crazy the Jordan 1 lows bumped up in price. It's ridiculous. I can't even grab those nowadays, as far as like the Shadows, the Royal Blues, the Chicagos, so on and so on. I'll link the breads down there, and you guys can check out that video and go back in time and see kind of like a bread, or you know, reverse bread, whatever you want to call it, with the pinstripe laces, like I said. So yeah, here we go. You guys are looking at them. From now on, I'm just gonna have the kicks out. I'm not gonna waste time, you know, unboxing a box and going through all that, because I do thorough reviews as it is, and I take my time because I do reviews for people that actually want to see the sneaker or the product, and people that are looking to purchase the product so they can actually have a good decision if they want to purchase something or not. Heard? Anyways, Nike steals. I mean steals. It is what it is. Right now is a great time to pick up a lot of stuff that before you couldn't. And I always say follow my Twitter. You guys should follow my Twitter. Not, you guys need to follow my Twitter. When I say that, I mean that's where you can catch everything going down. As far as like early links and things like that, I'll post it. I just purchased the newest mid women's, and it's hard to get in men's sizes, and I posted it on IG as well. But if you're on Twitter, you can kind of real quick just hit the link, directly go, and I usually post the links that not everybody's going to. You know what I'm saying? Because people have a tendency to post all the foot sites and all the popular sites. I'll post the sites where you can just grab them, cart them, check out, no problem. No error messages. You know what I'm saying? Easy wheezy, one time, boom, and you're out. You know. And shout out to Sneaker Twitter, Soul Links, Sneaker Steals, a few other peoples that I mess with on Twitter. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have grabbed a lot of heat, quote unquote heat. Restocks, Sean Weatherspoons at retail. I could go on and on. Air Jordan 1 mid, black gym red, 10 US, 9 UK, box price 125, right? No, 115. 115. There's the box. You guys know what it is with the box. I'm gonna put the kicks up here, and as always, get right to it. There they are. Your black toe mids. Air Jordan 1 bottom, Nike, right? Got the stars on the pivot point, toe, you know, front, toe cap, there it is. Toe box, there it is. Jumpman air patch on the tongue, red and black, looking nice. Nylon tongue, black laces. Toe box black. Black swoosh. Air Jordan trademark logo. Wings logo, whatever. White mid. Red. Gym red, black, of course, you know. Black, you know. Black toe ones. All there's to it pretty much on these. It's just a great steel. Black footbed. Nylon inside soft. Black leather up here. All leather kicks, of course. Very Chicago one-ish, very Jordan 1 high OG quality as far as the leather goes. The red looks nice. Quality control looks pretty good on these. Not a lot, there's like no glue, no imperfections. Medial, inside, outside, you know. Black toe, mids. It's really, there's all to it. Just a good pickup at $115. Nike has sales right now. They're gonna bust our ass right now. You know, especially, you know, they're gonna hate us. You know, I gotta stay away because I'll start spending a lot of money that I don't have to spend. You know, they had the 25% off situation, right? Log in 25 and you get 25% off. Then it was my birthday, so I got $20 off for my birthday. Then after my birthday and that went away, kind of that my little $20 thing, how you say it, it went away as well. You know, and then today I get the message like 40% off. They're keeping it going, you know what I mean? And a lot of steals. A lot of people picked up a lot of sneakers that you know, be worth a lot more, you know what I'm saying, when this is over. If you guys get a chance, as far as investments or anything of that nature, if you get a chance to grab the reflective Yeezy Mist, the black jump offs, on StockX for $300 plus whatever, I would highly recommend that, because after the summer, everybody that's selling them for $300, $350 is gonna regret that. Those things will be $600, $800, no problem. If you hold on to kicks and collect them, or you know, hold them on, or like investments and things like that. And bam, that's it for this one. Just a quick, you know, they're coming in, the Nike jump offs, you know, a lot of steals. I got a lot of joints coming on. I'll give you guys a sneak peek, but these are not finished because the lace is not on these yet. These are the Sean Weatherspoon Air Force Ones, the 971s, Sean Weatherspoon jump offs right here. All suede, butter biscuit suede, blam blam. We got 2 sets of laces for them. Leather guts. Swoosh, blam, with the gator trim on it to give it the gray feel and all that. The gray on the air, you know what I'm saying? Secondary laces, probably purple or gray or something like that. Or we can throw them on, but that's probably not what we're gonna do. But there goes those. Show you guys when it's finished. Do a review on them, the whole 9. And then we got Travis Scott's Air Force Ones as well. Cactus Jack Air Force Ones. That review is up. I'll get to these birthday gifts, you know, little cops and joints as well. And yeah, these are comfortable. To my mans that asked about them, I bought the China Moons to myself for my birthday. Nice little steal for $150. And yeah, I just need to fix up the studio and finish this shit up so I can set things up properly for sneaker reviews. Nice pickup, classics, and really, really good quality. Really, really nice and great. $115. Can't complain. awesome pickup. And it's gonna be happening like this, and all, you know, this. Stay tuned. Keep a little money on your debit, credit, on your PayPal, you know, and follow my Twitter, follow my IG. Do what you got to do on your own, and you know, keep a little money tucked up, because you never know when that shock drop off the off-white UNC restocks, and you're able to get them. You know what I'm saying, for 160. $2,000 pair of kicks or something else, you know, some SBs, skateboard dunks or something, lows, highs. You never know what they're going to do, because right now, you know, I could spend $100,000. Everything is on sale, clearance, and I got bids on StockX and gold for steals, and people are just accepting it because, you know, people have no jobs, so on and so on, you name it, you know. So it's a good look, a good time to, you know, to cop certain things that are going to cost a lot more, that did cost a lot more. And also, as far as investment and things like that, like I said, missed Yeezys reflected for $300, $350. After the summer, those will be $600, $800. Let alone if you hold on to a pair of kicks like me for, let's just say 1 year, forget a few years. You know what I'm saying? Let alone if you buy a few pairs of the same shoe. You heard? So peace and blessings to everybody. BRED toes, black toes, Jordan 1 mids, classic. Really, really nice, really good quality. 115, you can't beat it. Shipped, no taxes. I got boxes on boxes for you guys coming. I'm just trying to do the videos detailed. Stay with the SGK wave at the same time, but cut it a little short. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Right back. I got another review for you guys. And hope you guys appreciate the information. If you guys like the videos and catch the silver lining info that I kick out, or the knowledge, or just chopping it up with you guys, period. Support your boy, man. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and we'll keep it pushing. Peace and blessings. That's PAB. That's the PAB that you guys always see. And I'll catch you on the next one. At 1,000 subscribers, sneaker giveaway. And if anybody can tell me in the comments how to show my subscriber count on the actual page, please let me know, because I can't do it from my phone. Is it because I'm not doing it from the computer and I'm trying from my phone, or how do I show the subscriber count? Peace. If you can get them for 120 or something, grab these.